Welcome back, YouTube family. Another video today. Before you get going any further, go ahead and comment, share, subscribe. Yes, here is the broken Evo. You guys last preview for today's video. The head did lift, unfortunately. That's why there's coolant everywhere, or residue of it. I used my friend's camera to look into the pistons. All the pistons, they seem fine. Didn't see any markings or cracks, anything, alarming. But this cylinder 2 was filled with coolant. So the spark plug, actually, I'll show you guys whenever I pulled the plugs out when I got the car home. See, this one's okay. This one is okay. This one isn't okay. This was cylinder 2. And you would think if it was like motor contact, this plug would be, destroyed, and it would be easy for me to take it off. So I kind of, figured why it wasn't that big of a deal. Well, not a big deal, but just, it wasn't too alarming. But just the plug unscrewed, normally. Look inside, is broken. It looks to be from coolant pressure. And this one is okay. No, I'm not mad, not upset in any kind of way. It's a fast car. Expect fast problems. My friend Tommy come by later tonight and help me pull the head off, pull the turbo off, because it's just going to Boost Labs to get redone anyway. That's that in last video. So get this redone, check the head, see what it needs, and hopefully the block is okay. But other than that, it is what it is, guys. That's my girl. This is my girl. It will get fixed. So in the meantime, I'm gonna pull the bumper off until he gets here and get to work. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Alright, right now I got the car apart somewhat. You're not going towards taking the manifold off of the turbo. You get it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Take the turbo manifold off, and then we'll start working towards the head areas. It's coming, but... Over turn line is off. This thing should be ready to come off. Boom. There is my turbo. And there is my block.
Is it cool if I set it on this?
Yeah,
side?
you're good. She's on motor now. On motor. What's up? My ball dirty and stuff. My bad, bro.
It's going good.
Now working on toward getting timing components off, and then taking the headsters out and alright. And after this one, one below me.
Yeah.
Okay. Just loosen them or all the way?
Yeah, I mean, just till you can get them loose.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a washer in there, you gotta watch out about.
Okay. Alright, and then this one?
This one.
Okay. Oh my god, damn.
Show them muscles.
I'm trying, bro. Sorry guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but okay. Just this side.
It is outside, hold on.
What is going on?
You might have to try it.
A few inches later.
Sorry for the, poor quality. I know it's nighttime, but The block is okay. Sadly, this is where it ripped on cylinder. Well, head gasket went on cylinder 2. Right there. Split right in half. That's why all the coolant went to that one cylinder. Makes sense. But I'm gonna send the head to the machine shop, get it looked at, and then what head gasket, head studs, and your timing belt.
You probably don't need studs.
I think so. But in the scenario, motor is okay. Alright, before we close out today's video of the damage on the Evo, this is where it said goodbye. Right there, guys. Number 2. Best bet, take the machine shop, try and get this like welded, like patch welded, I guess. If it's even, you know, fixable. Hopefully it is. If not, I gotta find another head, just get it ported and go from there. But there is the damage. So that's today's video. Motor is okay. And I know, guys, stay safe. Until next video, peace.